Good morning, boys and girls. Shade Tree Jay here. Welcome back to the channel. Got an exciting video or series of videos for you today. We're fixing to crank up old hub and we're gonna go to a car show. Car show's gonna be the hub's debut. But we got enough of the bugs worked out and we can drive about 20 miles to a car show and see what happens. So y'all hang on tight. We're gonna do something, even if it ain't right. Alright guys, we done made it to the Moselle Memorial Baptist Church car show. Weather wasn't cooperating too well with us today, but still got a nice little turnout. And so let's walk around and look at some cars.
Alright, ticket 2322. 2322. 2322.
This is a nice old 49 Chevy. It's pretty close to being all original. Eat it? No. Nice wood in the bed, been redone. Just a nice all-around solid truck. So we'll start up here. Nice Corvette. Backed up by a 71 long wheelbase Ford. Right beside it, new Camaro. This little Monte Carlo right here is just ultimate clean.
I told them to make it 1050, they cut it. But there was a cameraman up in the barn. They didn't splice it. They made it start to hurt.
We've seen this right here at the PDI. And that's Dickie Byro. And this is
Alright. One more time.
an 82 Chevy Blazer.
2320. Ticket 2320. Red ticket 2320.
Yeah.
Somebody holler, but I don't see them.
Hey, Tom.
There you are again.
Hey, here I am. The Dickie, their check, please. Drop me a check on it.
Right here, super clean 68 Camaro. RS
Ticket 2331.
with your hideaway headlights.
Ticket 2331.
Full functioning, I'm sure. Super nice car. Right next to it
Ticket 2331.
is this Chevelle,
Somebody wave at me.
68 Chevelle.
Wave at me. Ticket 2331. Hey, David. David.
Super clean paint
Where are
job.
you, David?
This here
Your wife just drove up, so you start to behave, okay? Louise just drove up.
is the Black Widow.
Ticket 2331.
This little
Is that your ticket number?
Model A Ford truck,
Do you agree? You see that on my head?
31 Model A. Super nice. Pulling the Coca-Cola trailer behind it. Look over here in the bed. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This right here is a 51 Chevy cab over engine, COE, and it is sitting on a, I think they said a 91 Duramax frame, diesel equipped and all. But
All right, we got a couple of tickets left.
it's just super nice.
Ticket 2337. And ticket 2335. 2337. 2335.
Oh, no, I don't.
I just love me some Kragers.
Highway speed.
If I put anything else on hub, it'll be that right there.
I'll tell you a car I used to have that would go.
Little 31, no, 29 Ford Model A.
Four barrel, I did have 140.
Small block Chevy powered.
And I wouldn't drive that at 140.
It's the
That one would
ultimate
take it.
street rod.
I ran
And this little purple 56 T-Bird was Landon's favorite. And that is just super nice. Running the American Racing Wheels rims. Interior is as nice as the outside. It's just super clean. With your porthole and a spare tire. Continental kit.
The original guy that did the front end and everything, they had a 7-inch tires and rims on the front, and everything was done.
No car show is complete without a Mustang. This is a 65 model. They got some of their original advertisements there in the back seats covered up. Big Silverado and the Mustang GT. Of course, you got all your tractors out there on display. Here's the boat. That's what I'm talking right there. That's a nice truck. This old Peterbilt here, they've turned it into a nice rat rod. Rat rod, street rod, running a big diesel motor, 6-cylinder, and he's sporting a tot rod. I love that little chest right there. And it is Veterans Day, so salute to all the veterans. Classic Peterbilt interior.
Let me have your attention. I have a real special deal for you. I want everybody to listen.
So,
Prize, you can get one for $15.
this here is a late model
10 cakes.
Camaro,
Everybody went over each other, get in there. Which
and it's
you can have a
nice.
cake for $10 in the Family Life Center. I mean, for $15. I'm sorry. 10 cakes.
And sitting right next to it
$15.
is just a plain Jane square body. It's been lowered. It's probably on air ride. It is an 81 square body, and it's just clean, super nice. Just your regular long wheelbase square body, and I love those rims. He's a member of the Long Bed Mafia. And this one right here, it didn't get registered in time. If it did, they didn't put a ticket on it. But I just love these old T-Birds. Something about them, I don't know. It just tugs at a heartstring string, and the only foreign car at the show today is this little Carmen Ghia 63 model, and there was just too many in the class for it to get voted on. After I'd done voted, he was the last one to come into the show. Then we're gonna come up here and see the rat rod, and a very special build right next to it is gonna be, well, I'll just let y'all read the sign. It's Ford powered, big Ford powered, high-class rat. This right here, 31 Ford two-door sedan.
We're gonna look at all of them, son.
It is a super nice. This car was built in Washington State Penitentiary in Walla Walla, Washington, by the convicts in the tech shop, given the name Con Job. It's sitting on a Ford Pinto Mustang front end suspension. It's got a 68 Corvette 350 cubic inch 4-bolt main, double hump heads, more or less, and 202-inch valve heads. And to me, it's one of the nicest builds out here. It's just super clean inside and out. Really nice. Check out them gold-plated gauges. It's just super nice. And then we end right back up with old hub. So, all right, that's gonna wrap it up for now.